guys, this is Harshila. Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought of sitting down and talking to you guys about my favorite skincare and beauty products throughout the month. Now I wanted to do like yearly favorites at the start of the year and just talk to you guys about my favorite products throughout 2023, but yeah, I did not do that, so I thought I should do like monthly favorites. I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right in. So the very first product that I have for you guys is cleansing oil. Now I discovered this product, I mean I knew about this product, but I just couldn't get my hands on this. It was extremely difficult to get my hands on this particular cleansing oil. It's the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. It's a great product for all skin types, but especially if you have like acne prone skin, this is a great product. It doesn't clog your pores, which can happen with other cleansing oils. I mean, the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, like in charcoal, I think that broke me out so bad, and it, like, I wasn't really expecting it to do that. The reason why I have only used up this much is because I don't know, I think it's costly and it's very difficult to get my hands on this, so I use it you know, on days when I've put on like full face of makeup. So I like to like reach out to this. On other days I like to use the Sugandha cleansing oil. Again, I have used up so many bottles of this. This must be like 5th or 6th bottle, and I already have a backup in my vanity. That's how much I love this product. Now this is by Sugandha. It's their squalene cleansing oil. It's again amazing, like great for acne prone skin as well. Now I do not really have acne prone skin, but I think it's more to do with the foods that I consume. So I mean, I'm still in the process of figuring it out as to what really triggers acne. I never really had acne growing up, but it is just something that I'm seeing for the last couple of years. So it's okay. Last year was really tough for my skin and hair. Yeah, like one collaboration ruined my hair and the other one ruined my skin. And hair is still fine because I did take care of it and I'm growing it out. I've mentioned it in so many videos, but skin, yeah, I'm still trying to fix it, and it's been a process. I'm trying to figure it out, but it's okay. Beauty of Joseon serums. Now I got 2 of those, but I've been using this regularly, religiously for the, I don't know, like a month or so, and this has helped my skin so much. This is the calming serum. So this has green tea. So this has green tea and panthenol. If you have irritated skin barrier, please go for this serum and thank me later. This serum is a blessing, trust me. It's amazing, and like, you know, you don't need a lot of product, just like 2-3 drops and you're good to go. I use it every single night. While I was on the app, I was also looking for barrier repair creams, and I came across this one. This is by Bioderma. This is their Atoderm gel creme. Now this is such a great product. These two together have healed my skin in no time. Products together work so well. I cannot even tell you guys. If you have irritated skin barrier, or you are looking for like a barrier cream, just like go for this cream. Or if you want, you can go for this combo together. It's just going to like make your skin thank you. Like with that, I also simplified my routine so much, and I have been using this refreshing facial wash. How I wish we could go back in time and have like simple products and not have like active filled products. Like every single product that you see in the market today has some kind of active ingredient, and I think all of us are like overdoing it, and it's just not helping us. Earlier we did have like normal skin, then the market was filled with all these active ingredients. We started using it and ended up over exfoliating our skin, and now the market is filled with barrier repair creams, which we did not need in the first place. Like we just created a problem that we never had, and yeah, it's just like a marketing gimmick, and we shouldn't fall for it. You should really, as a consumer, really understand what's working and what's not working, and just be a conscious consumer, I guess. Yeah, I have also learned it the hard way. So exactly why I've been using the simple refreshing face wash. This is a great product. A lot of the times when I use a face wash, and especially if it has an active ingredient, it ends up making my skin feel really dry, and I don't like that feeling. So this is great. It cleanses your face and doesn't make me feel that way. So this has been amazing. Okay, for exfoliation, I do exfoliate, but I only exfoliate once a week or once in 10 days, and that has been amazing for me. And I have been using this Paula's Choice 2% PHA liquid exfoliant. Now this product is really good. It unclogs, it I actually use it on my nose for my sebaceous glands, and it also works really well to just exfoliate. It's very gentle on the skin, again doesn't really dry out. I literally stopped using adapalene and so many things. It used to make my skin look so dry, and every single time I used to put on like makeup, it used to leave these dry patches. And for that I ended up getting this serum. This helped me so much, and thank God for the serum. This is by Laneige. This is their glowy makeup serum. Now this serum, again, as I said, I used to get, because I used to use adapalene and I don't know what not for my acne or like active acne. The next day when I used to wake up, dry patch ho jata tha, so this used to help so much. It used to make my skin look all dewy and glowy, and I used to really like it. It used to help me so much with the makeup application. It still does. I think I'm almost done with this bottle, but I have another one in my vanity already. I have a hair favorite for you guys. Now I really wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about all my favorite hair care products as well, but फिर मैंने सोचा कि let's see what's the response I get on this video and then I'll decide. But this Pro Next Bond Restore Pre-Wash Treatment by Plum is so damn good. Now I personally haven't used Olaplex products at home. मतलब मैंने hair spa में use किए हैं, but घर पे I don't know. But a lot of people say that this comes very close to like Olaplex products. I am not really sure, but this is like a pre-wash treatment. So what I like to do is I will chumpy my hair, or sometimes I'll also go in with rosemary hairspray or whatever that like I feel that day, and then niche I apply this, and then I keep it for like, I think you're supposed to keep it for like 5 to 10 minutes, but whatever works, 5 to 10 15 minutes, whatever, and then hop into the shower and wash your hair. And oh my god, this is just amazing. It's supposed to like restore your bonds, like hair bonds and stuff, but it's really good. It works in my opinion. Talking about acne, I found this Revela Derma Science AHA BHA clarifying gel. Now this is supposed to be like a spot treatment, and I use it, and what I like about this product, it doesn't really, I mean, it dries out your acne, but it doesn't leave that weird like a dry patch around it. I hope I'm making sense. Some really good ingredients, glycolic acid and niacinamide, and it also has salicylic acid, so glycerin, so you know, it also has like hydrating ingredients in it. It doesn't just like dry out your skin if you were to apply like 6% glycolic acid and leave it right there, तो फिर dry patch आ जाएगा. तो वैसे this is a very nice spot treatment, and I really like it. Okay, then I discovered this brand last year and I fell in love. I got so many products, but the one that stuck with me was the blush. Now I got 3 of them. This is by Simply Nam, and I have Maid of Honor, I have 2 peas in a pod, and Soul Sister. I really like 2 peas in a pod for a everyday, for every day. It is like a really nice pink colored blush. Then the Maid of Honor, oh my god, I almost broke this. Okay, this is what the Maid of Honor looks like. And the third one that I have is Soul Sister. I think this will suit most like Indian skin tones and also like deeper, darker skin tones. This is perfect, really nice. I love these. They are super hydrating. It goes on very easily, and you can build it up. I love these products. I love Simply Nam as a like a overall makeup brand. I think they're doing really good. And yeah, I also have their eyeshadow, amazing, I love it. Now I have 2 lip shades. This one is by Nykaa. This is their Boho Babe. Really nice shade. I usually like to use it when I'm going to the gym. Yeah, I apply lipstick when I go to the gym, and this is so good. It's like my lips but better, sort of a nude color. I love it. Then this one is by Lakme, and this is their nude twist. It's a beautiful nude color, like a brownie nude color, which will suit most Indian skin tones. Even if you're darker, this will still look really nice because it's brown. And yeah, if you are fairer, this may come off as like a dark brown sort of a color, but beautiful for like medium skin tone people. If you are looking for a brown nude color, go for it. I have 2 sunscreens. This one is by Requel. This is their Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen Gel. I must have already spoken about this product on my channel so many times, but this is my absolute favorite sunscreen. It's lovely. I use it every single day, and I'm almost done with this sunscreen. The next one is by like you can get it at a local pharmacy. This is Photo Stable Gold. Again, has a matte finish and is like a sunscreen gel. Sits really nice under the makeup as well. I really like it. It's non-comedogenic and this is what it looks like. It's beautiful if you but this is a little expensive, I wouldn't lie, but I have thoroughly enjoyed using this. So yeah, these two are my favorite sunscreens at the moment. This is Zara Twilight Mauve. Now this is a beautiful scent. I wish I could explain it to you, but it has a very fresh sort of like a tea note in it, which makes it perfect for gym wear, which makes it perfect for your gym workouts. I like to spray it onto my skin and also my clothes. This is really nice, extremely refreshing, because when you go to the gym, you obviously do not want to wear something overpowering. You do not want to wear something overpowering in general, but especially when you go to the gym. So I like to wear this. It's very fresh and doesn't give me a headache. The reason why I also like this is because when it mixes with your sweat, it doesn't smell weird, which can happen with a lot of perfumes. That's why, you know, there are summer perfumes and there are winter perfumes, and yeah, that's like the whole thing. Next up, I have body mist. This is by Sol de Janeiro. Now this is their Brazilian crushed Cheriosa 40. This is a beautiful smell. I love this smell. This has black amber plum and vanilla woods. This has vanilla in it. Extremely edible and like mouth-watering scent, in my opinion, and I think perfect for date nights, you know what I mean. I actually have so many more favorites, but for now let's just you know, end this video right here. I think I've spoken about a lot of products already, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I'll mention all the products and their links in the description bar below, so you can go ahead and check them out. Also, let me know in the comment section what kind of videos would you guys like to watch. I'm also vlogging this week, so hopefully there would be a vlog coming up really soon. But yeah, I just really want to be active on YouTube more, so help me out, help your girl out, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.